G'day trendsetters, I need your help. I planted these runner beans a little while ago now, but at the moment they're doing really well. And they're also reaching the top of my teepee. So my question for you is, when they get to the top, do I pinch the lead, the tip of the bean out, and I'm assuming they just branch out? Or do I just let it go up and let it hang and dangle and do all sorts of things? I've grown these before and I've done it both ways without any great success, but I'm just curious and interested to know what you do, basically. Just on a side note, these guys, all I've done is a bucket of compost each, poked the bean seed in the ground, and about 2 weeks ago I gave them a good dressing of the ℏ𝕃 mulch, which they seem to be enjoying quite well. That's it, just a quick question for you. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do I pinch the tip out, or do I just let them grow and go wild, do their own thing? Cheers.